Namaskaram. I think for the film, as a profession, this is the second time I'm coming. First, I came for Ghost with Jairam sir. We came here. That was about 1.5-2 years back. It was in Crown D Plaza actually. Today we have come for 45. And before that, I've done one shooting here called Preet Se, myself and Upendra. And Sonali Bendre. We were here for about 10 days. Yeah. And otherwise, whenever we go to Sabrimala and come, we used to pass Cochin and go. Sabrimala almost I've gone about 25 to 30 times I've gone. It was started from Nambiar Swami. Then we made other group after shifting to Bangalore. It was called as Father's Group, the Rajkumar's group. And afterwards, after my father passed away, then we continued about 10 years back. And before COVID, till COVID started, we were going to Sabrimala. And a lot of good things about Cochin because I was born in Chennai, because it's a coastal weather. I'm used to this coastal weather, and I like a lot of seafoods here. And whenever I come to Cochin, I find every time it's a new place now. It's developing very fast, looking more like a foreign country now. I would love to say that. I'm very happy to be a part of 45. And first time when Arjun said me, I was just fascinated hearing that. He told me the subject within 4 to 5 minutes. That's all. That's why the title came as 45. That's another secret also. He just said to me.
Is it for real or like? Is it for real?
What?
No, is it for real? Like you?
Yeah, he said 4 to 5 minutes because we were in a dance show actually. We were hosting the show, DKD. So that time he said me the story. It was very good, and I told. Then he said, I'm ready to give the story." I told, "Don't do that. Why can't you direct?" Then he made, actually after that, he made a lot of preparation. He showed me the animation version of the film. Then I thought he'll be a very good director. I can proudly say he'll be one of the best director in not only Karnataka or South India. In India, he's going to be one of the finest director, I feel, because my heart says that. Because he has done hard work and he's a hard worker also. Because what made me to feel like that is he has done a lot of my films, background scores, songs, good songs he has given, especially Bajrangi. I believe in Bajrangi a lot. So that film, favorite is Arjun Janya's song, it's amazing. I always, whenever he gives me the song, it will be a hit. And it is a combination of myself, Arjun Janya and Harsha. We have done about 4 to 5 films together. So all the films were hit, and he's a lucky charm for me. One more thing. And so I thought, okay, he's going to direct. It started, then Upendra joined, then Rajbir Shetty. So it was a wonderful team, and we did not know how we worked actually. Almost about 80% of the film is over. Then afterwards, when we were doing the climax portion, I was detected cancer. So that time I was supposed to finish the film and go for my surgery also. That time it was a very difficult period, but in spite of that, everybody made me so comfortable, but I did not feel the tiredness at all. When you come and see the film, the climax portion especially, you all will love the climax portion. And that is because of our team support, Arjun Janya, cameraman Satya Hegde, Ravi Verma, action master, then Rajbir Shetty and Upendra, everybody, and the producer. He's the darling actually. He's the main pillar of the film actually, and he did not bother what he's going to spend, nothing. He was just saying, we'll do. He was very confident. I think the only person, after me, he was very confident was Ramesh Reddy sir, and it was fantastic. And the whole experience was superb. And I don't know what else to say. I'm just waiting for the release because this is only a beginning, It's about only 25% you watched. Another 75% is there. When you come and watch the film will be very fascinating. You can say it's a fantasy, philosophically said in a very entertaining way. So everybody can involve in all the characters. You can relate to the character, and when you see the climax, you actually can feel a beautiful message where everybody should follow, can follow. If you follow, it will be very good actually. and you'll know the values of life. And not only because life in sense, it doesn't mean only human being. It will be even an animal being also. So you should respect everything in the world. That beautiful message you'll carry. That guarantee I can give, and you can amazingly enjoy the comedy also. And Upendra's different get-ups, superb it is, and the way he has performed, and Rajbi Shetty amazingly has performed, and of course my character also. So all these three characters here, nobody can say who is going to score, but certainly I can say film will score, and after you people see, you will score.
That's great. All right. So now we have heard a lot about this movie, but like there is one thing that like so now that you are in the land of Kerala, in the land of our own Laladan and Mammootty, would you kindly sing a song in Malayalam? We know that like you're an excellent singer as well. He has sung so many songs for many movies. He's a playback singer as well. So could you kindly sing a Malayalam song and like dedicate it to Laladan or like Mammootty? And to the entire Kerala fans.
I love Mammootty sir and Mohanlal sir, and I'm a big fan of Dulquer.
Yes.
I just love him, not from now, from the starting of his career. I don't know. Something is attractive about that guy.
Okay.
Yeah, always. I've met once, I think in Leela Palace in Chennai. When I went for a holiday, I just met him, and I was very thrilled. And even he was, the way he spoke to me, it was so beautiful. And I've met him only once, that's all. I've not spoken, only once, and I've spoken to him only once. But it was so beautiful, amazing person. I'm a huge fan of him, actually.
No, I'm really requesting you to sing a song in Malayalam for us, just like our Laladan.
I'm not very fluent, but I can just sing.
Please,
two
sir.
lines. This is my favorite film, Chemin. I've watched nearly about 50 times. I just love that film. I don't know, whenever I see this film, I cry, I enjoy, and it mesmerizes actually. Manasamayne varu maduram nulli taru ninnaruma poo aadili teduvudare yaare manasa mane varu maduram nulli taru. Thank you.
Amazing. That was actually a very different version of the song, but I guess the one that we should all be listening to in this current times. It was a cover. Thank you so much. And actually, here I have like a lot of friends here, sir. They've all actually asked me. It's basically a request on their behalf. They asked if you could actually say a very famous Malayalam movie dialogue for them. I could actually give you the dialogue. It's like it's a Lalatan's dialogue, the very famous dialogue. It says like this: 6 വർഷത്തെ ഇടവേളയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം ഇന്ദു ചൂടൻ വീണ്ടും വന്നിരിക്കുക. Okay, again, നീ പോ മോനെ ദിനേശ. That can be say, right? നീ പോ മോനെ ദിനേശ.
നീ പോ മോനെ ദിനേശ.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Actually, I did one film of
Yes.
Mohanlal sir's, I think, Kavacha. I did a blind role. I think it was called as Opum.
Yes.
Yeah, I did that, and Kiridam I did. Modadam I did.
The old one. Yes. Okay.
So I think my favorite film, my favorite actor also, and he's very, very, very. I think he's very easy to go. Whatever
right.
role he does, he just lives inside him.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
So anytime can you expect in another Malayalam movie again very soon?
I'm just waiting, There was one person had asked actually to act, actually. I think with Prithviraj sir, mostly. We have to just wait and see how it goes.
All right, sir.
Yeah, I will, 100% I will.
All right, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can you take back your seat? It was absolutely great listening to you again. And you are a fascinating director. You are a beacon of inspiration to many of the most leading directors in India. And you have been convinced to act in Arjun Jania's first movie. How did you get convinced?
எல்லாருக்குமே வணக்கம் நமஸ்காரம் கரெக்டா
Yes, sir.
Yes, he's spoken about everything about the movie and Arjun Janya sir, producer. I don't know what to say. I don't have anything to say, but only one thing I want to tell, actually, because when he approached such a big music director, when he approached me and you don't know how he narrated the story, it is not like a first director or first writer, actually. He is like a veteran director. He acted me and narrated me each and every shot to shot. He narrated me. I was so thrilled, actually. Then he showed me the movie also with that what is that animation movie with music, dialogue, dubbed all the characters. I was really thrilled. I said, I don't have any of this thing, actually. I have to do that film, actually, because that my character is also very good. And Shivanna's character and Rajbi Shetty character is also superb, and especially the story. This is like, actually, normal director, how they cook stories, for people. This is not like that. This is something extraordinary thing happened in his life, and he came up with this story. It is completely a different kind of story with all the ingredients, with action, with elevations, with fun, emotion, Sanatana Dharma, and God and devotional, everything is there, actually. It is amazing. Thank you, sir. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to work with legendary Shivanna sir. This is my fourth film with him. I directed his film, actually, first film, actually, Om. Then I acted with him. Now this is the one more opportunity to work with such a legendary artist. And thank you very much, sir, producer. Such a great producer. This whole animation and all these graphics, VFX, he is doing it in Canada.
All right.
Yeah, he's spending so much. That's why he wants to take it to all over all the Indian languages. And I request everybody to watch this movie and bless us. Okay, thank you.
So if I may ask one thing, there is this one master shot in this movie, which is like, I don't know how you pulled it off, because like you are this one person like everybody is looking up to, and yet you have acted against a dog in this movie. And that is some kind of like, the first time you are watching the teaser itself, it just catches you like that shot. So how did you pull it off?
I don't know. When director told me, actually, this is the shot, actually, dog is there and you have to sit and actually do this exercise.
Okay.
I thought it is good, actually. It is. I liked it, actually, first of all. And the way he tells, you bring anybody, actually, convinces. That is this capacity. He can convince anybody. You see, like a childlike, innocent face, he convinces anything.
Okay.
So I just followed director, because that is the only way I can do different roles, isn't it?
Cool, amazing.
Yeah.
And so one more thing, Chess, let me just give this thing to the audience first. I mean, like, ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന എത്ര പേർക്ക് അറിയാമെന്ന് അറിയില്ല, 20 വർഷങ്ങൾക്കിടയിൽ 600ഓളം പ്രാവശ്യം റിലീസ് ചെയ്ത ഒരു മൂവിയാണ് ഓം എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മൂവി. ഉപേന്ദ്ര സാർ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ശിവണ്ണ ഹീറോ ആയിട്ട് അഭിനയിച്ച് ആൻഡ് അർജുൻ ചോനിയ നമ്മളെ ഡയറക്ടർ മ്യൂസിക് ഡയറക്ട് ചെയ്ത ഒരു മൂവിയാണ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ലെജൻഡറി മൂവി ഓഫ് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓൺ. അതിന്റെ ഒരു റെഫറൻസ് ഈ സിനിമയിൽ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Yeah, that is there. Let me tell you some briefly about myself, because you don't know anything. How many people have watched my movies? I started my career as an assistant director with a legendary great director Kashinath. I was a lyric writer, then I became a assistant director, then associate, then I directed some movies. And my third directorial movie is with Shivanna sir, that is Om. It has released more than 500-600 times. Then I did A and Upendra and Super with Nayanthara and so many other films, and acted in so many films.
Yes, that's
This is the brief about me. Please watch, if you get some time, watch all these films, okay? Oh, thank you.
And if it's not too much, if I'm not asking too much, can you please recreate that Om reference scene here? In Malayalam, if it's okay. Is it possible? Yes.
Yeah.
We'll give you the mic too.
Om. ഞാൻ ദ ഡയറക്ടർ.
അറിയാം, ആ സിനിമയുടെ ഹീറോ ഞാനാണ്.
And I'm sure that is going to create ripples in the industry. Thank you so much once again for such an artistic sports that you are. And now, ഈ ഒരു സിനിമ നമ്മളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഇത്രയും ബിഗ് ബഡ്ജറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മൂവി നമ്മളിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, there should be a very passionate producer. And here we have got the National Award winning producer, Mr. Ramesh Reddy. Sir, thank you so much.